Welcome to today's guide, where we'll walk through how to archive emails on the Gmail app, updated for the latest version. If your inbox is getting a little messy or you just want to keep things organized without deleting any messages, this simple method will help you do exactly that. By the end of this video, you'll know how to clear up space in your inbox while still keeping every email safe and easy to find later. Let's jump right in. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. You'll see all your recent emails listed just like usual. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. The Gmail app works the same way whether you're using Android or iPhone, so don't worry, these steps apply to everyone. Next, find the email you want to archive. Maybe it's a message you've already replied to or something you want out of sight but not gone forever. You can scroll through your inbox or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you spot that email, you're ready for the next step. Now, long press on the email. You should see it highlighted and some icons will appear at the top of the screen. Look for the archive icon. It looks like a little box with a downward arrow. Tap on that icon and just like that, your email is archived. It disappears from your inbox, giving you a cleaner, more organized view. If you ever need that email again, don't worry, it hasn't been deleted. All archived emails are stored safely in your account. You can find them anytime by searching for keywords, the sender's name, or by opening the All Mail folder in the side menu. And that's it. Quick, simple, and effective. You've just learned how to archive emails in the Gmail app using 3 easy steps. Keeping your inbox tidy doesn't take much time, but it makes a huge difference in staying organized and stress-free. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this one. Thanks for watching.